Today's video is going to be about this little box that I have finally put my hands on. It's one of the most portable gimbals that can be used with any mirrorless cameras such as the EOS M50 or even with the higher models like R5 and R6. So this gimbal was released by DJI in October 2020 and it's one of its latest gimbals in the market, and it is the upgrade of the old RSC. So let's jump together into the unboxing and let's do it. In today's special episode about the unboxing of the DJI RSC2 Pro combo. It comes with the high-end bag, which is like very handy, and it helps you to protect all your gear and keep it in one place. So let's discover it together. There are two parts, and as you can see here you have two pockets. As usual, we have the manual. So we are still at the upper part. Let's start with the tripod. It feels like plastic and metal. Quick release plate, image transmitter, which is called the Raven Eye, focusing motor, phone holder, the lens support, the quick releases, one is taller than the other, focusing belt, two metallic rods.
A few moments later.
So guys, let's jump to the fun and the most interesting part of our video, lower part of the bag. We have also two more pockets. Those are the RSS cables for all the cameras. Are you guys ready? Boom! Amazing! Wow! Look at this beast! So according to DJI, the battery is built in somewhere here. I know it might sound annoying, but 14 hours it's like quite a long time. So there shouldn't be any problem. The Ronin RSC2 gimbal has a payload capacity up to 3 kg. DJI have given the RSC2 the new Titan stabilization algorithm, and it looks really fantastic to me. So if you guys are wondering on how the stabilization will work on this gimbal, let's go together and do some tests. We are going to unlock together the Ronin RSC2, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So basically we grab our Ronin, and as you can see here there is a little knob that it says lock and unlock. Make sure first it's unlocked, grab it like that, lock the knob. Let's grab our tripod. Okay guys, now I will be showing you very quickly how to assemble the gimbal with the camera. We also need the quick release plate. You need to slide the plate on the gimbal this way till you hear the click. To secure the plate, secure the lock. Just all what we need to do is to slide the camera to the plate and secure the lock. By the way, I'll be doing a separate video for the Raven Eye where I will be covering all the features and how to install plus how to operate. Watching this video, you probably want to know if this gimbal is for you. In my opinion, the RSC2 is a great option, especially if you are using a smaller setup. It's more functional now comparing with the older model, the RSC. Also, DJI have made a great job by simplifying all the features, and yes, the size matters. since now the gimbal is more user-friendly, reliable, and also compact and portable. Okay guys, at the end I would like to thank you, and I hope that you have found this video very interesting for you, and I can't wait to see you again in another video. So stay tuned. Salam.